Hey guys, welcome back to Tekkit Classic Adventure. This is the 13th episode in the series. Today I've planned some things that I think you'll enjoy. No, it's something we've been looking forward to for a while now. We're going to try and make an assembly line. Did I get my wrench back? That's my question, I believe. Yes, okay, it's time to check the progress of our talisman of repair, actually. Alright, see, look at that. Is that not just like the most beautiful thing you've ever known in existence? Because, oh, all the tools are repaired now. That's awesome. Okay, even the wrench is good to go. Yes. Good. That I feel like I needed that to happen. Okay, assembly line time. So what we're thinking about when I say like assembly line is, we're gonna have the bat box running, and it's gonna have, you know, power level and that sort of thing. It all starts with the macerator. What I do is you put it in the macerator. We're going to have pipes take it out of the macerator once it's finished smelting. They're going to carry it to the electric furnace, and the electric furnace is going to smelt the dust from the macerator into ore, or into bars or ingots, and then it's going to more pipes are going to send it into a chest. And we're going to need some steam engines, or yeah, we're going to need some steam engines and some pipes to run this. So, I think what we need to do is hurry up and get started before we run out of time or take too much time. So the first thing I want to do is, I've got 34 glass on me right now, so I'm going to make some cobblestone piping. So, I, for the life of me, probably can't remember, but alright, there we go. We're going to be needing to make a lot more of this when we do a quarry, which we'll do relatively soon. Because we have all the stuff we need to do it, like right now. We might have gold, we might not, but I'm sure we have gold somewhere. I just haven't really been thinking about that a whole lot. Alright, let's make some wooden pipes, because we're going to need wooden pipes and cobblestone transport pipes. But the thing about these pipes is we could make things a lot easier if we use golden pipes. Golden transport pipes makes it go a lot faster. But the thing about that is, well, you know, there probably is no thing about that. We could probably do it. Yeah, we'll do it. We'll do, I'll make 2, however many I get. Okay, 8 golden transport pipes. And we'll need levers for those. Okay. Now for the steam engines. Actually, we may do redstone engines. Those probably work better. I can't honestly remember which ones I did before. But redstone engine. Yes. You need 2 wooden gears, piece of glass, some planks, and a piston. And a piston, I always forget how to make pistons, and that's a vanilla Minecraft thing. Redstone, iron, the 2 cobble. Okay. And then it's alright. We're gonna need more wood to make a gear with. We're gonna need to make more gears. Okay. 17 planks will do. Alright. So 2 wooden gears, and we're gonna need, I think we're gonna need 2 of these redstone engines. So I'm gonna go ahead and make another piston. Okay. Wooden gears. I know you need sticks for wooden gears. In fact, we're gonna need 4 of these. Ah! Sorry guys, welcome back. This is the 13th episode. I've started making some of the things, for what we're going to do in this episode, which is an assembly line. You know, I think we can get this. I've been recording a little bit, but there's a little bit that's been cut off the front of this episode. I was recording when I made these pipes. It was, a glass, and then 2 of whatever you're making, whatever kind of pipe you're making, on each side of the glass. But the video cut off, so I missed getting to record that for you guys. But it's messed up on me a few times, so I don't know what you guys have seen so far in this episode, but I've made pipes. The gold ones are going to help transport the stuff from machine to machine faster. The cobblestone will just be the normal pipe that's used, and the wooden pipes will be what connects. So let's get started. Right now I'm constructing redstone engines to power the assembly line with. So I'm going to read back up on that recipe for a minute. So I've got the gears I need and the pistons I need. I need 2 glass and 6 wooden planks to finish it all off. Since I'm making 2, so we're gonna need 2. But we have that now. We're gonna need more levers because you gotta turn the engines on and off. Now there are redstone engines and there are steam engines, and I don't have any wood. I seriously have no wood. That's wonderful. There are redstone engines and steam engines, and I can take it off this guy's house because he doesn't mind, right? Let's tear the whole thing down. The steam engines can overheat, causing like a lot of problems. You can't just leave them on. They'll overheat, blow up, and you'll lose a bunch of machines, like we seem to be really good at doing. But anyways, we're making redstone ones for now for safety measures, that sort. And my gosh, it's raining again. Our bat box is never going to get full. Let's see what it's got so far. It's built up 8,000. That's not too bad. Okay. Let us construct. I believe we need 1 more lever, and that's it. What am I doing? Okay. I don't have any sticks, so I'll make sticks. 4, so we'll need 2 for the cobblestone piping and the piping, and oh my gosh, we're gonna need it for the gold things too. We're gonna need many levers. Let me just finish making levers out of the rest of that stack of cobblestone. Alright, the next thing we're going to need to do is move these machines out of the way again, because I believe we're going to need to rearrange them for this anyways. This has to go on top. I think this will work though. I hate having to do this. I was trying to figure out a way to avoid doing it, but alright. That's done. Now, what I can do here is, well, in all honesty, I need all that. I need all of this down here right now. I even need this down here right now. Alright. We have to I can't honestly think of the best way to go about doing this, but here. I'm going to spread this out a little more for the time being, because I believe it will help. Okay. And that still powers that, hopefully. Okay. We're going to go from the side here. Oh, that still won't work. Oh, okay. You're gonna go up this way. Don't ask me how we're gonna get that to work, because quite frankly alright, and on this bit of on this part here, I'm going to insert one of the engines, because you have to have one facing the wooden thing so that it will actually pump things out for us. Oh cool, okay, it's working good. The redstone engine. That's good. We won't know if it's actually working until we test something through there. We need, okay, that's working too. I saw it light up a little bit. Alright. Now ideally, I believe I don't need a wooden one in this case. I believe the wooden one's only when you're exiting a machine. And so it would be something like, we're going to do it like this and see if it works. Honestly though, I'm not sure. Alright. So we've got an engine on each, oh crap, on each wooden pipe exiting a machine, so that it pumps out the stuff from the machine into and onto the next thing. So it's time to test our device in the stormy night when we will get no power. Wonderful. Okay. Let me get all that out of the way here. That's all the levers I needed. Oh, wait. Okay. Let me grab 2 gold ore. That works. And I'm about to show you what I believe is beautiful. Anyways, just give me 1 second here to let me work with that pipe right there. Alright. Guys, it's time to try this out. This is what literally I've been waiting to do. So let me flip on the redstone engines. Zoop and zoop. And let's insert said 2 gold ore and see what happens. Alright. So we know what the macerator does. It's going to split that into 2 gold dust. If these machines are working correctly, well, not the machines, but the engines and the pipes are done correctly, it's going to be amazing. Up, up, up. Oh my gosh. It's working. And see, that gold dust is going to travel up through these pipes. And see, I've got this gold pipe turned on, so when it hits the gold pipe, it's going to go a lot faster. Yeah, in fact, instantly into the furnace, where it will smelt the dust into the ingots, and then it will be extracted to the chest. So exciting. I'm getting like just pumped up talking about it and looking at it. So, though, you guys do realize we have a very serious problem with this, and it's the fact that if we just go outside and not get blown up by creepers, over here where our solar panels are, where our power is coming from, this is not gonna be enough to sustain. We can't run an assembly line off of 2 solar panels, because especially not when it's dark and raining, and it rains a lot apparently. So, well, because you saw it, I mean, 2 gold dust used up about 2,400 of our power storage, bringing us down from like 7,000, 5,000. So we're gonna need more solar panels. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this right here, this little cool assembly line. I've been waiting to do this for a long time. See that we still got everything we'd normally get, and this is basically the normal processes you go through when you smelt and put things away anyways, right? So what I'm saying is, all I have to do now is put ores into the macerator and I can go away, and they'll literally smelt, go through the system, or they'll macerate, go through the system, smelt into the chest. I don't have to move them myself. It's all automated. So, yeah. Okay. Next on my agenda right now is, I want to wait till morning. I want to see. Oh, it's not gonna matter if it's still raining. We're going to work pretty fast, I hope, from this point out. But what I need to work on now, I need to see if I can make another solar panel. I'm making another circuit, I guess. Actually, I'll make 2 circuits, because I can't, honestly, for the life of me, remember. Solar panels require generators as well, so I need 10. Alright, there's 2 batteries for the 2 generators. I don't think we can make those right now. Iron supply. I have 5 ingots. Okay then. I need to get more iron desperately. I don't know. I feel like, okay, let me see. That would be too much. Oh, here we go. Useless lazuli. Alright, there. That's like beautiful. not so useless anymore, is it? Okay. Now, we wait. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed this. I'm trying to make extra solar panels so that when it does stop storming and being nighttime, that we can watch this assembly line, like, move. Like, we can use it and not have to worry about it using more power than we take in, so that's my main goal right now for this. Alright. So it was, honestly cannot remember what the bottom thing was, but I know it's really simple. Is it a normal furnace? I don't have any cobblestone on me. I mean, I have plenty in here. I mean, not cobblestone. What the frick? I'll sacrifice this to the, you know what? Alright, there's one. And this will be two. Alright. Machine block. Battery. I have to make another furnace first. It bothers me sometimes how outdated this texture or this mod pack is. Okay, generator does not go there. Furnace, battery. Alright, we have the hardest part of that done. We do, though, need to make coal dust. The thing about coal dust is, the thing about the assembly line is, anything that won't smelt is just gonna stick in the top of the electric furnace when it gets there, so, yeah. That'll give me 3 coal dust, and we need 6, so let that do its thing and run down our power even more. I don't even know that we have enough to support that. It will seriously put us in quite the situation, though, otherwise, if we don't, which I don't believe we will, because 1 coal dust literally just took us down. Maybe we can get through 3 coal dust, so that way. Did it go through? Okay. Come on. If I can get this last coal dust right here to go through before our power runs out. Actually, we may get it all, but I don't think it will happen. Two coal dust, 1 more coal dust, we can make an additional solar panel. With 3 solar panels, we will lose more. I think we'll lose more than we can get in, but it won't be a very big loss. Like, well, it'll work. It just won't work forever, but it'll work. Okay, let's go and get this done with. Is there there are 2 electronic circuits involved, aren't they? I didn't even think about that side of the ordeal. Okay. Well, I had planned for this moment, but do I have rubber anywhere else? Alright then. I'll just We're gonna call it an episode soon, guys. I just want to get one solar panel here. Alright. It's one electronic circuit, but I feel like every one of them takes two. Which is like a major pain. Haha, haha. Anyways. An awful joke, wasn't it? Okay. Man, you run out of materials pretty fast when you do this stuff. I made a perfect amount of refined iron. I literally could not have got any better with that. Okay. Oh, it's probably backwards again. Yep, there we go. There's one. Did we get it? Oh, we got all three of it. We can make both of them. That is wonderful. Oh, let's not jump the gun here. We still have to make two more electronic circuits, which we'll need more copper for. It's a good thing I have it. Alright. Yeah, this would be a really long episode if the first like 6 minutes hadn't accidentally been cut off of it. So, yeah. You know, for some reason I keep thinking we only need one. Oh, why? We need iron. We need iron. Okay. Hurry up. People. We want to go enjoy our lives. Oh my gosh. Crap, I don't even have inventory space. I mean, I did, but I kind of messed up there. I've got things all over the place. I'm so off right now that I feel like I don't even know how I feel like. I don't know how to feel. I feel like stuff is like appearing in my inventory. Alright. I don't know if all four of these are working. I feel like... No, they're definitely not. Well, they might be. I feel like they're not, though. Here. I'll see if that made a difference. Honestly, don't think it did. We will work on that next time. But for now, I got the extra solar panels, and we finished the assembly line, which is the main goal. Thanks for watching, guys. It'll be a little while for the next episode, but thank you for watching. Bye.